Hiding friendsong sungtini hai tekisa job notification naleunai sindir brao kaisa Society for Entrepreneurship Development amongka shopit nge sungsino friendsong shopit motamuti sini saptaw waisa hai ke masa 2-3 bar job notification kogo au shopit nge kaisa friendsong sini government ni je job ni je yafarjak kaisa agency hinimano agency ni yakte jeto contract basic job langmani je shopin yak timang langjago friendsong hadiseng pura notification nailainai awon bagai norok video pai nadi friendsong omongka 11 month ni bagai contract basic sangkalp under director of skill development no awon bisingo langjanai job ojago kobangma post tongo minimum 12 pass tai logi computer ganang kangke riman nai ojago giseng nalainai puila tongo jago ek number post tongo project manager amongka vacancy kaisa post graduate ngakino apply khaiman nai experience nangnai 4 থেকে 6 year working experience jekono livelihood agriculture rural development ba health education and other social sector jodi private ba gov sector nang jodi nini experience tongo kene sam ngoro desirable qualification anga santhanglia norok notification no ang link nai norok thangka bunai di je essential qualification ke nangnai desirable ngake nang jodi bisi tonghake nang chance manai mon go jago monthly 70,000 boys ngake 45 years orate rimanai jago ar porta kaisa associate project manager amun duja tongo amunke BE ba BTech from recognized university apore 4 থেকে 6 year working experience tongo nangnai hinisa ombo 40,000 beton apore 41 year jorote rimanai arpore MIS manager omo ekta ombo BE tai BTech arpore omke 25,000 beton arpore 41 inge sini tarisa tongo hanai sa number project executive omo tongo duita graduate from recognized university graduate khajek hanungo jemon BA BSc BCom ba any graduate degree complete ngage nai logi 2 year experience in skill development project go hansawo gov ba private sector hanisa beton on bo 25,000 boys inke 41 years of ar pore 5 number tongo district level coordinator omke 8 ta tongo post graduate ombo jekun jaga graduate khajak ngai apor minimum 2 year experience skill development project go hansawo gov ba private sector hansa omon beton ke 20,000 boys ngake 41 apore last tongo 6 number data entry operator ngake o jaga tongo duita vacancy omonke 12 pass ngake nongo ba diploma jekuno equivalent chawaro mane equivalent mane nung jekuno diploma khajak ngake no majin pass ngon pore knowledge computer ha dong ngake nong kisa computer knowledge tong nangai ni sawo jago de desirable qualification ngoro typing test rok 31 dong ma ngake bani ni 1 year ni experience dong ngake nan besi chance jakung nai ni sata jago awan beton ke 9,000 boys ngake 41 year jorate ingomongka pura puri je sopit je agency je society sopit tongmani bin yaktei pura puri tamnai reserve khaijaknai arpore among select nani hinke written exam ba interview ni bisingti nai nai saw hinke obo norok joma bo jaga marne hinke the office of the member secretary shopit je shopin office tongo abongka ITI road Indranagar Agartala wo amonorok je 18 January 7 tarik ni bisingo nol thangai o marnai gake je bini form rok o jago no tongo je notification ni tolawo no marnai notification ni link ang video description ro nai bini form rok kamtoi nor obno fill up nai logi xerox ruinai xerox seller setup ruinai photo ruinai norok je office thangai jama ready kai omongka sini shopin ni job asungno jara rimanai rok ready ba namusungna ready asungno teisa jotono hai hambai